What's going on, Smart Algo family? I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be going over a strategy to use while using the Smart Algo indicator to reach full potential and max out your profits. So guys, this strategy is going to be used while using the new version of Smart Algo. So if you still have the old version and your cloud looks different than this, and you don't have the trend panel, make sure to X out the indicator and then reactivate it, and you should have the new version. So today guys, we're going to be going over a trend strategy. This strategy works on every market and every time frame. So we're going to be doing a few examples on different time frames, and we'll be working on Forex today. So guys, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get on with the strategy. Alright guys, so once you have the Smart Algo indicator activated, what you're going to do is follow these exact settings that I have activated right now. So since we're on a higher time frame, our smart logic is going to be on smart signals. If you guys are looking to trade the lower time frames, such as the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute time frame, we highly recommend you go with the smart scalper mode. So guys, I'm keeping my sensitivity at 15, but at the end of the day, there is no best sensitivity. It's really up to your personal preference. I just find that putting my sensitivity at 15 for me, personally, gives me a pretty high win rate. So we don't have to worry about the smart scalper sensitivity since we're not on the scalper mode. But if you're trading on the scalper mode, you're going to make sure to change this sensitivity over here. For the candle coloring guys, I'm just personally choosing not to put the coloring, but feel free to customize the coloring as you like. We don't have to worry about this option guys since we're not scalping. For the chart simplification guys, I'm going to keep it off as well. If you don't know what this does guys, once you turn it on and let's say put it to small, you'll see the signals right over here went from buy and sell to these little signals without words. So that can help just make the chart look cleaner and simplify it a little bit more. But I'm going to keep it off for now. So we're going to activate our smart blocks over here, guys. You do have the option to put more than one, but I'm just going to keep one for now just to keep the strategy as simple as possible. Here we have our take profit and stop loss levels, guys. I'm going to go over this just in a bit, so we'll get back to that later. We're going to make sure our trend sniper is turned on, so is the trend panel. This is the trend panel right over here. I just like to personally keep it on the bottom right, just so it doesn't get in the way of the price movement. And this is super important, guys. We have to make sure that the smart cloud is turned on with the cloud option set to long trend, okay guys? If you're trading the lower time frame, you're going to be going for extremely fast or fast trend, guys. That option is made just to be more accurate when the price is moving quicker. Alright guys, next up guys, we're going to have our smart support and resistance levels. And that'll be all for the strategy guys. So make sure you follow these settings exactly the way I have it to make sure that you're following the strategy perfectly. Alright guys, now that we're done with the settings, let's check out our chart over here. So as we can see guys, before we got to this point, we were in a clear downtrend guys. And we can see that right around this area, the trend switched from bearish to bullish. So right when we see that the sniper is green and the cloud is green, that would mean that we're in a full bullish trend. So in this case, we're only going to be looking for buy positions. So as you can see guys, right when we're in the uptrend, when we get this sell signal over here, we're not going to be taking this because we're trading with the trend guys. Alright, so if we look at this setup right over here, we're going to be looking over a couple things, right? So as you can see, we got our buy signal over here and the candle is fully closed. Zoom in and get a closer look, guys. We can see the buy signal appeared and it fully closed and then a new candle appeared. So first we're going to check the smart cloud. So we can see that the smart cloud is clearly bullish, so that's confirmation number one. And this little line right over here is the trend sniper, which is also bullish. So that's confirmation number two. And guys, we can check out the trend panel over here. The trend panel is indicating that this is a 4-star signal, meaning that the price has really high probability of moving up. We can see guys that most of the time frames are bullish, so that will be confirmation number 3 guys. Now guys, we can see that we have these two order blocks over here. We've got a bearish one and we've got a big bullish one. So since the bar on this order block is way bigger than the one on this order block, we're going to follow this order block guys. Also due to the fact that this candle is starting to test this resistance level, and with all our confirmations guys, this is indicating that the price is more than likely to break our resistance level and move up. So guys, with that being said, we're going to go back over to our settings page and we're going to add our take profit and stop loss levels. Alright guys, now that we have our take profit and stop loss levels turned on, I decided to keep it at 3 take profit levels and 1 stop loss level guys. I'm going to change the offset so it can move further to the right so that it can follow with the price movement. As you guys can see, we have our take profit and stop loss levels right on our chart guys. Alright guys, so we've done our analysis and we're going to let the trade run and see how it goes. So if we press play over here. So as you can see guys, we're testing that resistance level, eventually breaking through to hit our first take profit. And we absolutely smash our take profit levels, guys. So basically what happened, guys, is as price was moving up, we started to test that resistance level and eventually the price shot up and absolutely smashing all 3 take profit levels, guys. Alright guys, so I have no idea what happened to this part of the video, but my mic completely stopped working. But basically I was just explaining how we're going to be going over the same strategy, but just with the 5-minute time frame, guys. And since I'm doing this voiceover, comment the word smart down below if you made it this far in the video, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Time frame, guys, we're on the 5-minute time frame. The only settings that I changed, guys, was the smart logic. I changed it from smart signals to smart scalper mode, and I added the smart oscillator, guys. When we're trading on lower time frames, we always want to add the oscillator. So as you can see, guys, this is a pretty crazy candle we got here. We got our sell signal right over here, and we're testing this bearish order block right over here. We completely broke that support level. Guys, the trend is bearish right over here, and the market strength is extremely low, guys. The oscillator is showing a lot of selling pressure. So let's let this trade play out, guys, and see what happens. So we instantly smash our first take profit, guys. So what I would do in this situation is I would take my stop loss level and I would put it to break even so that we don't lose any money on this trade, guys. So that the worst that could happen is your trade hitting break even, but at least you made a profit and you lose $0, guys. And we can also see, guys, that the trend panel became fully red. So this is a good sign to let our trade play out for a little bit longer and hit our take profit too, guys. So as you can see, guys, right over here, we got a buy signal, but as we said earlier, we're only trading with the trend, guys. So we're going to be ignoring every single buy signal in a bearish trend. Very important, guys. And as you can see, we hit our second take profit level, guys. So guys, that is the trend strategy using Smart Algo. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be releasing a new video on a scalping strategy really soon, so make sure you turn on notifications on our channel to be notified whenever that video is uploaded. And don't forget to join our Discord server, guys. We're going to be giving away a lifetime subscription to Smart Algo for completely free, so make sure you join our Discord, guys. And that'll be all. Comment down below what you want to see next, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.